What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors bringing you guys another official video. Know you guys have been missing this Audi A5 Big Turbo. Guys, I've been replacing the engine head and I'm almost done. As you guys can see, working on the engine head, just covering that up right now. Almost done. Had to put a little bit of reinforcement to accommodate the power. A couple of parts while I'm waiting on it. I figured, hey, let me do this body kit. I've been wanting to do it for a minute. Look at this old valve cover right here. That was a nightmare to take off. Got that off, got the engine head off. As you can see, got the old timing chain cover. Guys, I got a video on taking that out and the install as well if you guys want to see that video. But as you guys know, I am a builder. I love building cars. It's a passion of mine. A lot of you guys who've been following me for years know this about me and my channel. I have a whole series on making a wide body kit. And as you can see, this is my old wide body kit. That's my Audi right here. As you can see, flared out pretty nice, right? Got a nice little traditional wide body flare to it. In case you guys want to know, those are 14 wide on the back and 13 wide on the front right there. This is my old kit, guys. And a lot of guys that follow me know I also made that diffuser as well. My diffuser was made after an Liberty Walk. I made it from scratch. Got my caliper kit. You guys know that from Bosch Mods as well. Did a video on everything. So if you're interested in my channel, if you're interested in my build, watch my videos. I have a video on everything. And as you can see, that's my wide body kit, guys. I'm about to go crazy and do something dumb and stupid because I love doing dumb and stupid stuff. I'm making a new body kit, okay? So, you guys saw from the thumbnail. Got the Lambo wheels. Might as well make a Lambo right now. But anyway, guys, I'm not trying to turn this Audi into a Lambo. I'm trying to give it the appearance of somewhat of a supercar. Anytime that I'm on the scene, I get looks from everyone on this car. It's like, hey, what kind of car is that? And you know, not only do I got the looks, I got the power that goes with it. You guys have seen my videos. Now, I really want to give it a more aggressive supercar look, right? So that's what I'm doing this kit for. Right now, what I'm going to show you is probably going to look horrible, super horrible. But guys, the way that I do it is I like to mock up what I'm going to do first before I give you guys the actual nitty gritty of it. Okay, so I'm starting with the side first. So as you guys can see, boom, that's the side. I'm giving it that Lambo Aventador look, right? So I really want it to look super aggressive and super wide. This is just a mock-up, guys. What I normally do is I'll mock it up so I can kind of know where to start from. If I'm going to use clay, if I'm going to use foam, whatever I'm going to use, I need to have a general idea of what it's going to look like. So this is that general idea. So as you can see, it has that kind of wider look to it. If I come down, as you guys can see, I'm going to run some flares right over here on the side. It's going to look super wide. This is how we're looking so far. Did a little cutout over here by the tire, right? Like I said, guys, this is going to be kind of the back to kind of give like a a look of what the back is gonna look. I'm not gonna have the tire right here. Excuse me, I'm not gonna have that rear flare right here, so it's gonna give a look of tire. It's gonna look, this is my goal of how the back is gonna look right here. Okay, so that's how the back is gonna look, all right? So if you guys look right here, this is gonna be empty. It's only gonna be tires, so you're not gonna see that flare right there. And if we back it up and you look at it with my diffuser that I already have, you can kind of see how that's gonna kind of play its role. I'm probably gonna make a more aggressive diffuser. Don't know, but as you guys can see right here, this is what we're gonna be looking like from the back. It's gonna be a lot wider and more aggressive. And this is the preliminary, guys. So, guys, I got the new build coming, new body kit. I'm gonna make this thing nasty. I know it looks bad right now, guys, but when I tell you, once I get that front going, matching with the back, this is gonna be nasty. I know there's gonna be a lot of haters. They say that about the first one, right? But hey, if Liberty Walk can do it, I can do it. And this is gonna be my mission. This is gonna be my goal. So hope you guys like it or interested in this. But this is gonna be the nastiest Audi A5 on the freaking streets. I'm gonna give it a body kit that demands attention and make it look like a freaking supercar. So like, share, subscribe. Bruce is back with the big turbo A5. And guys, I know you already know about this one over here. Can't, you know, I always got to put this one in the video. I always got to put that one in the video. The RS5. Do you guys think I should leave the RS5 alone? I said I wasn't going to do much to it, but I already bought like a front bumper lip. I'm going to do before and after video. I'm almost done with the car, guys. Don't know what else to do. I really don't want to mimic my Audi A5 because I'm going to be confused on which one to drive. But as you can see, I mean, I got the yellow RS5 painted the bottom black. You guys, if you watch my channel, saw the video. I painted the calipers, got the cheap rims. The car is pretty much like at a point to where it's essentially done, guys. I don't know. You got the RS5 badge right here. Right. I mean, blacked out the window trim. What else can I do, guys? I don't know. But if you look up right over here, just so I can show you my diffuser again. Oh, this is gonna look so sick. I don't know if you guys can't really see my vision. Look at that. That's gonna be my vision right there. It's gonna look just like the picture. Are you guys with me on this one so far? Maybe I should make this part of the screensaver just to kind of show the back. I think I might do that. Might show the back as part of the screensaver. I don't know. I'll show you guys a picture of it. And yeah, this is my diffuser that I made after the Audi R8 Liberty Walk. As you can see, made that from scratch, guys. If you guys want to see that video, just let me know. But yeah, guys, I'm ready to rock and roll. Bring you guys another video. Follow me, guys. This is Bruce Custom Motors. Peace out.